Are you ready to maximize your Christmas this month? After a fun first giveaway last month, we want to do it again. H2 Hub and our other channel, H2 Minutes, is partnering with the company Q Life to do another giveaway. And this is what we're giving away. The Q Life Q Cup Max. It's a portable hydrogen water bottle and one of the best I've ever tested. And guess what? We're giving away not one, not two, but 3 of these devices. One from H2 Hub, one from H2 Minutes, and one from Q Life. We have tested this product thoroughly through our H2 Hub recommendation system. You can check out these videos to see my evaluation of this product. This hydrogen water bottle retails for more than $300 and you can win one for free. This product can produce very high levels of dissolved hydrogen gas in water. You can see in our test video where we test the dissolved hydrogen concentration at more than 5 ppm. That means you can drink this 1/8 ounce bottle of water and ingest 1.3 milligrams of hydrogen gas. Considering it is recommended by researchers to ingest 1 to 3 milligrams of hydrogen gas per day or more, I would say that is pretty amazing for this bottle. To be honest, I'm not a fan of these type of portable hydrogen water bottles. They usually don't dissolve enough hydrogen gas in terms of milligrams to even be worth it. So now you can see why I'm so pumped about this one, so much so that I want to give away 3 of them. Maybe this bottle is so exciting to you that you don't even want to wait for the giveaway. Well, through December 31st, Q Life is giving H2 Hub clients an exclusive deal on this bottle. Using this code, you can receive 10% off of their already discounted price, plus a free bottle of their H2 tablets. Now, you may be new here and wondering what is all the fuss about hydrogen. Well, on our H2 Minutes YouTube channel, we have made a lot of videos on the benefits of hydrogen for the body. Things like the benefits of hydrogen for all of the 10 top causes of death in the US, and the ways hydrogen can help your brain, as well as hydrogen's benefits for things like inflammation, allergies, anti-aging, exercise, your immune system, and a lot more videos pretty much about everything you need to know about hydrogen. Now let's discuss the official giveaway rules and how to enter the giveaway. The giveaway officially starts December 1st and will end on December 22nd, 2021. Entering the giveaway is super easy. To enter, you must do these 3 things. Number 1, register at the Q Life website by submitting your full name and email address. We will, of course, provide the link in the description. This is very important because it is what is used to pick the winners. Number 2, be a subscriber to H2 Hub, H2 Minutes, and Q Life's YouTube channel. Number 3, like, share, and comment on this video or the H2 Minutes giveaway video. Comment with your answer as to why you want to try H2 or this bottle. Include the hashtag H2Max giveaway. Here are some examples of what we're looking for. That's it. We will announce the winners on December 22nd, 2021 via YouTube Live and contact them via email. Go register for your chance to win.